So it's a, what is it? An Aprilia what? That one. Aprilia Tuono what? I can't remember which one I'm riding. RSV 1000. It's not a Tuono, is it?
Yeah.
Is it Tuono? Oh, okay, got ya. I'm so sorry if I drop it. Ah! Wow, this is rather weird. Come on, mate, make your decision. Look at this! Look at this piece of shit. What is that? Police. So, it's Aprilia RSV 1000 Tuono. It's the naked one. Get a little ride of it. Hey, I'm getting to ride lots of bikes recently, aren't I? Once again, I'm at Ports Down. It's getting a bit dark now, a bit chilly. Might shoot home. Well, we are shooting home. Ah, sun's really bright. Can't see fuck all. So yeah, it's another V-twin. Try and do one of my really terrible reviews of it. That sun is so disgustingly bright. What a sight in the world. Oh wait, there's no mirrors. What is this? The wind is terrible. There we go. I'll tuck down a bit. Make it a bit more quieter. Oh my god. The time for earplugs is nigh. And the sun. Ah, I'm blind, so blind. There we go. It's always that, the more city uppy the bike is, the more the less fucking hell, get my words out. The less fast you feel you're going. Is that good England? You don't feel you're going as fast the more city up you are, I find. I think because wow. It does just want to go, doesn't it? Wow, mate, because that sun is horrible. There we go. Very easy to ride. Very comfortable. Very controlled. The throttle's not overly jerky. This mirror is pissing me off. Oh mate, that sun is fucking horrible. There we go. Got a tinted visor on as well, and I can't see nothing. Oh yes! My RCA did sound rather sexual there. God, so easy to ride this. Really comfortable. I'm loving how comfortable it is. I think the sit-up bike position is just there. I can understand why people have the sit-up bike position. I don't understand why you're naked on it. Ha! You're not naked, the bike is. You know what I mean? But the wind is kicking the shit out of me, but then that's because I'm used to a fared bike. The new the new Tuono, I can't see, or the new Aprilia RSV, I think it's the Milli. It's pretty much, it's fared. I know this is the Tuono 1000, but yeah, I think that just a little bit of fair would be nice. And also this one tips in the corners really well. Such a light, it's a very light bike. One thing I would say is, I'm not tall, I'm 6 foot. Is that tall? It depends how tall you are. If you're 5 foot, 6 foot is not tall. But the dials are facing really, like, I don't know, really difficult to see the dials. They're just sort of tilted like down a bit. Oh. It's just as rough as mine is. But the seat is a lot spongier, and the brakes aren't as good. Sounds nice though. Very easy bike to ride. Yeah, it just tips in beautifully. Good lord. Where's my indicator? There it is. Oh, that's a dead squirrel. But yeah, it's not as jerky as mine is. But still, it's a V twin. Still V twin. Oh, fucking hell, mate. The brakes are shit though. It's not anywhere near as jerky as mine. Oh. Oh, it just goes. It's a proper hooligan bike. Absolutely proper hooligan bike. The front just goes so light when you open the throttle like that. It just wants to wheelie. The rear brake does nothing. Not even sure if it's attached. It is. I'm very, very composed there as well. Deliberately, I know there's bumps there. I hit them quite hard. And it's very composed. The front wheel doesn't go light. It hasn't got a steering damper or anything like that in. Not sure. I'm pretty sure it's got ABS or traction control. But I love the sound of the exhaust there. But just the wind, I'm getting absolutely destroyed here. But also the rev range on this seems to be quite good. I mean, I think it red lines at around 10.5, which is the same as mine. But it just seems to take longer to climb up through the revs. I'll tell you what, I'm glad I got the way the back of the bike scoops up. But now, the opposite end of the scale, it's that fucking windy. You think, oh my god, I'm going like 150 miles an hour. You look down and you're not. You're going nowhere near that. Which I suppose is a good thing, because you're naturally not going to ride as fast. Engine braking as well isn't as ferocious as mine. It's there, but nothing like the KTM is. It does feel more like a 4-cylinder, it does. Just that you haven't got the turbo lag, fucking hell. Oh! That's what I'm struggling with already, the fucking indicating button. It's very close to the horn, it's very far down, it's like reaching around to touch the fucking light. Getting blown off the back of the bike. I'm not sure if it's wheeling or if it's just me like pulling back because I'm just getting battered. Oh! The fucking indicators. Stay! Stay, motorcycles, stay! Mate, I don't trust your bike at all. What?
I understand.
Yeah.
No,
Good fun though, isn't it?
eh?
Great fun.
Do you like it?
Oh, I loved it, mate. It's just like, oh, I loved it, yeah.
I told you, it's just a bit of a hooligan's toy, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. The wind is fucking appalling. I hate it. I was like, I'm going so fast. 120. Oh, maybe not that fast then.